Himanshu, Manveer's father. Likewise, as Arush's father just said, even we observed that Manveer is he's more connected to the computers now. He was feeling very much interested, when he was making it, and proud also. And when we played the games, even we felt really good. And it is just the starting. I know that it is just the starting. And I really like the way you guys were teaching. Honestly, I was not there when you were teaching, but I could see from his projects that okay, the game which he made, I know it can be a very small or easy game, but that's the starting. So thanks a lot, Hamza, for that.